my name is Captain Starlight and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play! And today we're playing with Lego. But before we get into this awesome build, it is time for you to press the little like button, looks like a thumb, and press the subscribe button down below. Did you do it? You did a great job. All right, let's get into it. Today we're building the Minecraft Warped Forest. Ooh. It's a whole forest, plus you get a bunch of minifigs. We've got 2 piglins. They have little swords. Pew, pew, pew. We've got a hoglin, which is a bit like a piglin but bigger. And then we've got a huntress, and she has amazing pink hair, and they all live in this awesome forest. Let's start building this forest in 1, 2, 3! Woo! Bag 1, here we go. Oh, that was bag number 1 of the Minecraft set, which has got all of our minifigs plus a bunch of extra little treats. So we have our huntress with the cool pink hair here, and she's got, I think, a giant fork. That's pretty awesome. She's gonna have giant dinner later. We have got our 2 piglins. I'm gonna call this one Norman and this one Foreman.
Hello, I'm Norman. I'm Foreman. Oh, nice to meet you.
Ching! And then we have got, this is our hoglin, and its head moves like this. That's pretty great. Plus, we have some mystery orange boxes, and this, which is, I think it's for the hoglin, because hoglins hate tomatoes, so it's totally not tomatoes. And what are these? They look a bit like tiny stuffed olives, but I won't eat them because we're going to need them for the set. So let's continue on with bag number 2. Check it out, we have just finished bag number 2, and we've got ourselves a pretty cool landscape here. We've got a waterfall, or maybe a lava fall. I don't know about you, but I love it. And we've got some flowers, we've got a mysterious white thing over here. We're about to find out what it is, but you know what? This set was called the Warped Forest, and I don't see any forest yet. I reckon it's time for us to do the final bag. Bag number 3. Check it out! We did it! This is the Minecraft Warped Forest set. Whoa. We have got still mysterious white thing. We have got some trees over here. We've got our lava fountain and some little fires here. And this is where Norman and Foreman live. Oh, Foreman. Hello. Hello. Oh, excuse me, Foreman. Have you seen our pig?
A pig? Well, it's just right over there.
Oh, wait a second. It's up in the tree.
I don't know if a pig should be all the way on the top of the tree. No worries, I'll get it down for you. I've got this totally not tomatoes. Hold on, here we go. We'll put it under the tree, and then 1, 2, 3! Whoa!
I'm okay, guys. Woo! Hooray!
No worries! Oh, no pigs were harmed in the making of this video. I'm going to keep on playing with this for a little while, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more fun videos just like this. And we'll see you next time on the next Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play.
Oh, can I get back in the tree?
No worries.